Okay, for this quick quiz, the first thing that you're going to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once you open up Microsoft Word, come up to the tabs on the top. You're going to go to page layout. That's the first step. Once you come up here, you're going to go to orientation and click that. You see the little arrow? Change it to landscape. Okay, I want you to pause this video and go ahead and do that part on your own. Pause the video and then come back one. Okay, for part 2, all you're going to do is insert clip art of the United States of America. Come up to the top where it says insert. Don't use picture, use clip art, click it. Over here, you're going to type in United States of America. And click go. But before you do that, make sure over here that everywhere is clicked. And then down here, make sure that all media types is checked. If that's not checked, then you're not going to get any pictures. Click go. It's going to be searching. And make sure you choose any picture of the United States of America. Okay? You can choose any of them. No symbols, but just choose one. For instance, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay. Once you do this step, actually go ahead and click pause on this video and go ahead and try that step on your own. Click pause on the video and do that on your own, and then come back for step 3. All right, step 3. We want to be able to move this picture around. We currently cannot. We can't drag it anywhere. In order to move this, you're going to have to right click anywhere on the picture, come to text wrapping, go to square, click square, and now we can move the United States anywhere. So let's try to center the United States. I'm going to center it. I'm going to rearrange and resize it. I want it kind of big. And that's it. We're done with this step. Click pause on the video and go ahead and try this step on your own. Okay, we're almost done. We're on step 4, which is how to add text boxes. Come to insert again. Right here where the A is, go to text boxes and click it. We're just going to use a simple text box. Oh, I did something really major. I'm glad I did that actually. If this happens and the United States disappears, come up to the top to this arrow and click undo. It'll bring it back. It did that because I forgot to click the cursor and make it blink. You see how this cursor is blinking? You must have this blinking in order to insert a text box. So I'm going to go back to insert, go to text box, and use simple text box. Right here, I'm just going to shrink this text box, make it smaller. You see this 4 cross arrow? Once this comes up, you can move this anywhere. So I'm going to move it over here to the northeast. I'm going to shrink it down a bit. Actually, I'm going to make it bigger. Inside, I'm just going to click. And on the keyboard, I'm going to click backspace. And right here, I'm going to type northeast. Okay. You could change the size of this. You can also come up here and change the color to make it bigger. You're going to need 5 of these text boxes, so I'm going to come back up to the top. Actually, let me click remember that cursor has to blink. I'm going to insert another text box here. And you can move them anywhere. Like I like to insert them first and then move them. So I'm going to put it down here for the northeast. I'm sorry, the southeast. It's right over here. And you're going to station these text boxes all over the map. So you're going to end up having a total of 6 text boxes. The last text box that you're going to have is actually going to be your name box. You can draw it if you like. You can draw your text boxes also. Name box is going to be large. This is where your name and grade goes. So it would be Miss Hill. And that's basically it with this project. I just want to make sure that you can put text boxes and make sure that you can follow directions. So that's the end of this video. Once you're done, look at the class webpage, your schedule. You need to save this. to 7th grade United States quiz. Make sure that you save it in there or you're not going to get a grade.